Today we're going to talk about attack mode. Attack mode is a very neat security feature that we offer to all our developers, and it allows them to disconnect any communication between their backend servers and to the Venly services with just one click of a button. And the main use case is that if they believe that their systems are being hacked and someone is performing malicious activity and they want to safeguard their users' assets, it's very easy for them to quickly disconnect any communication in or outgoing traffic to our systems. And the way that's done is very simple. They can log into our developer portal, go to authentication, and at the bottom right, you can see here attack mode, which has a small button. And if they turn it on, then all communication is blocked. If they turn it back off, then all communication is allowed. So to quickly demonstrate this, I've prepared a small Postman file where I just fetch a bearer token. I'm connected to the demo production account. And as you can see, I can gain access. I receive an access token. And with that access token, I will be allowed to fetch, for this example, the block number on the Avalanche blockchain. So as you can see, I get the block number, I get the chain ID, all is well. Now let's turn off, or let's turn on attack mode actually. Let's try to authenticate again. That's not possible anymore. And of course, if I'm not authenticated, I also cannot fetch the block number. If I turn it back off, I will be able to authenticate quite easily, as you can see, and again, get the block number. The interesting part of this feature is as well that this works on our production, but also on our sandbox environment separately. So let's turn it back on and validate that I'm unable to connect to production. If I flip to sandbox, which gives access to testnets and is mainly used for developers in their own staging or QA environment, then I can turn it easily off. Let's switch here to sandbox. And I'm able to access my sandbox environment, but on production, I'm still not able to. And as you can see, if I flip to production, it's on, and vice versa. But also it works as well on sandbox if for any reason you might want to test it to see how your system would behave. You can easily try it. It doesn't work if I turn it off. Voila. So that's a small demo of what attack mode is able to do. If you want to learn more, I invite you to read up on our documentation where we have a bit more detail on the feature. Thanks for watching.